Hello and welcome everybody. INDD stock on 26 November. So let's see what would happen in next price predictions step by step. So the price that can be located for INDD will be possible for the part on 1 day update. So this is going to be very important. And the thing that we wanted to take care about is going to be about the price that could happen if we want the INDD going to be possible. We want to see that INDD a good thing. So I think this is going to be here. This increase in momentum possibility. So that the price on INDD would increase in momentum. If that not going to increase in momentum on 1 day update, it will continuous decrease because it has middle process. So it gives 50% increase and 50% decrease. And that what can I think as a trader on the INDD stock.